I had a wonderful time here at the Meditation Steps retreat at Ananda Diri, and I really recommend it to anyone who's interested in yoga or meditation or just healthy living in general.
I feel like I'm learning quite a bit about meditation. I've never really done meditation, and this is a great first step for me, and I've been learning a lot.
Everything's been great here. The food here has been more than I had hoped for.
Hi, my name's Jessie. This is my first time at Ananda Marga Retreat. It has a lot of great things like meditation and clean food and a beautiful surrounding. The people here are so lovely, the teachers, and I've had a great experience. I absolutely love it.
This is my first time to join a retreat. In general, this is my first time, and it gave me a lot of knowledge and guidance that I could use going forward. We're in a beautiful environment, out in nature, close to the Yuba River. We're getting nice walks in, and the meditation and yoga have been wonderful.
I highly recommend it to anyone that's looking to get deeper into spirituality and learn more about themselves and others. If you're looking to make a positive impact on your life and the people around you, I highly recommend coming to one of their practices and meditations.